Welcome to Kannamma Cooks. Today we will be making churmuri. Churmuri is a salad made with puffed rice and an assortment of grated raw vegetables. It's a popular street food across South India. It's perfect for that evening hunger pangs and is also vegan and gluten-free. Here is how to do it. Dry roast the puffed rice on a low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Roasting the puffed rice makes it very crisp and fresh, and they stay crisp for a long time. This step is optional but makes a lot of difference to the finished dish. Now let's prepare the veggies. Deseed the tomatoes and finely chop them. Deseeded tomatoes are preferred for this recipe. Prep the raw mangoes by grating them. Grate the raw mangoes along with the skin. No need to remove the skin of the mangoes. Peel and grate the carrots using a box grater or a food processor. I have some onions here, finely chop them. Chop some fresh coriander leaves and prep them. Finely chop a green chilli. If you like your churmuri spicier, you can add one more. Peel and finely chop the cucumber. I prefer to deseed the cucumbers before chopping for this recipe. Take a bowl and add in all the prepped vegetables. We will need about 1/4 cup of each veggie. After adding the vegetables, mix well to combine. Add in the chaat masala, cumin powder, black salt, and some red chilli powder. Squeeze juice of half a lime to the bowl. Mix well to combine. Let's roast some peanuts. I like to roast the peanuts in an air fryer. Spread the peanuts on the baking tray and roast the peanuts at 150 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 6 minutes. Depending on the air fryer, it may take a couple of minutes more. The peanuts will be perfectly roasted after the set time. Let it cool a bit. Once cooled, rub the peanuts between the palm to get rid of the skin. The roasted peanuts can be stored in an airtight container and used as required. The peanuts stay super crunchy for up to a week. You can also store them in the freezer for longer use. Add in about 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts to the churmuri bowl. Add the roasted puffed rice to the bowl. Mix everything well to combine. Sprinkle some ready-made save for that crunch. If you are watching your diet, you can skip the save. Finally, sprinkle some coconut oil for flavor. The coconut oil gives a nice aroma to the churmuri. Mix everything well to combine for one last time. Our healthy, veggie-packed churmuri is now ready to be served. You need to serve this immediately after preparing. The puffed rice will become very soggy if stored for a long time. If preparing for a party, get the veggies prepped and ready. Mix everything just before serving so the puffed rice stays fresh. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, show us some love by hitting that little like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.